Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Welcome to social class. What did you learn in the previous class? Can you remember? We had already learned about Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary and Viralimalai Sanctuary. Now I am going to ask some questions. Where is Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary? Good. It is 25 kilometers from Chengalpattu. Next question. Which is the oldest water bird sanctuary? Good. Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary is the oldest water bird sanctuary. Where is Viralimalai? Good. It is in Trichy. Name some animals. Do you like rhinoceros? What is special about rhinoceros? The large horns that grow from their snouts. Rhinoceros meaning nose horn. Today we are going to learn about Kaziranga National Park. Where is it? It is in Assam. Which animals are protected here? Very rare species of rhinoceros are protected here. It is the home of one-horned rhinoceros. It has around 2/3 of all rhinoceros in the world. Due to the successful conservation efforts, the number of one-horned rhinoceros have been increased. Which animals are found in Kaziranga National Park? The one-horned rhinoceros, Royal Bengal tiger, Asian elephant, wild water buffalo, deer, leopard, etc. We had already learned about Biosphere Reserve. What is a Biosphere Reserve? Can you remember? What is a Biosphere Reserve? In Biosphere Reserve, animals, plants and birds are protected. How many Biosphere Reserves are there in Tamil Nadu? 3 Biosphere Reserves are in Tamil Nadu. They are Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve, Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve and Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve. In Biosphere Reserve, animals, birds and plants are protected. It is an international biosphere reserve. It was the first biosphere reserve in India. It is very rich in plant diversity. About 3,300 species of flowering plants can be seen here. It is home to mammals like Bengal tiger, Indian leopard, black panther, deer, mongoose, cheetah, etc. Gulf of Mannar. It is a protected area of India consisting of 21 small islands. The park has a high density of plants and animals in its marine and near shore habitats. Marine means connected with the sea. The marine animals and coral reefs are the main attraction here. Coral reefs means a long line of rocks, plants, etc. The coral reefs that border the islands are very productive and home to many beautiful marine fish. The beauty and richness of the reefs is such that they are often called underwater tropical rainforest. The best time of the year to visit the Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park is between the months of October to March. Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve. It is a unique site that is located in the Western Ghats in the southern part of India. It also holds some major wildlife sanctuaries. It stands on the border of the districts of Kollam and Trivandrum and the districts of Tirunelveli and Kanyakumari. 2000 varieties of medicinal plants and about 50 rare and endangered species are here. It hosts about 75 species of mammals and 88 species of reptiles, 46 species of fishes, and 37 species of birds. Some of the rare animals found here. Lions are the second largest cat in the world. They live in groups called prides. Is there any sanctuary that protects Asiatic lions? Yes, Gir National Park that protects Asiatic lions. Where is it? It is in Gujarat. Where do they live? There are only several hundred Asiatic lions in the wild and only they live in the Gir forest. What do they eat? They hunt large animals including antelopes, zebras, rhinos, hippos, buffaloes, goats, etc. I am going to tell some interesting facts about lions. The lions spend about 20 hours a day resting and sleeping. They prefer hunting in the night time where it's most easy to catch their prey. The largest share of the prey always goes to the male while female eat leftover. Which animals are found in Gir National Park? Leopards, deer, jackal, striped hyenas, fox, wild boar, etc. Children, today we had learned about Kaziranga National Park and Gir National Park. Gir National Park, it gives shelter to more than 200 species of birds, 40 species of reptiles, 7 major perennial rivers pass through Gir forest. The water from these rivers is key to the survival of the lions and other species. It has large water bodies like dam that are good for crocodiles, reptiles and birds. Gir Jungle Trail is the forest department organized ride of 3 hours in the open jeep inside the dense forest. It is the oldest park in Assam. The landscape of Kaziranga is of sheer forest, tall elephant grass, rugged reeds. Rugged reeds means a tall plant like grass that grows in or near water and shallow pools. The latest rhino census has counted 2,413 one-horn rhinos. One can even see the rhinos and wild elephants straying near the highway. Tourists can take rides on elephants to move around the park. Take jungle safari by open jeep in search of one-horn rhinos, tigers, elephants, etc. It is the best way to observe the breathtaking view of the mysterious wild jungle. BirdLife International recognizes Kaziranga National Park as an important bird area. It is home to almost 478 bird species, which includes migratory and resident birds. You can see a variety of rare bat species here. Animals, birds, and different types of plants are important part of our environment. We must never harm them. It is our duty to protect them. Biosphere reserves in Tamil Nadu: Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve, and Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve. Now let us recap the lesson. Kaziranga National Park. One-horned rhinoceros are protected here. It is in Assam. Gir National Park. It is in Gujarat. Asiatic lions are protected here. Children, read the lesson and do the assignment. Thank you, children.